11th of January 2023, here is on Somerontie, Somerontie 2 to 8, building 2 steg C. Here in Vallila, Helsinki, it was originally Finland. It was finished in 1964, but this was built in late 1996.
Yeah.
2025 is sold in 2021 December. SP 1996 and it these 4 processors trained on 5 grams. It's gonna be 2024. So the other ones are beginning of that 97.
Yeah.
The blanket is broken here also. Yeah, very interesting. Late 96 and early 97.
Yeah.
And Scenic deserves 2 rides also.
Mm.
They all deserve it. The 9 others that are still left later.
Yeah.
But this was even more interesting than I thought. Like, the turn of the year 1996, 97.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I've seen this kind of edition in 96, but
yeah.
I'd seen this, but it was traction in Hatamra.
Yeah.
It's not 96. But it's some of the earliest then.
Yeah.
Because I haven't seen 95, I feel like.
Mm. There's no way to win on this floor. We have to turn the light again. Niin speed bike vai maintained by Schindler.
There's no Otis logo by the door rail.
Yeah.
Let's do a second ride here. It deserves it. And let's do a science ride. That's it, thank you very much. So I'm set to $2,000.
That's